Hi guys, welcome back. This is for my pre-algebra kids, lesson 5. We are working out of the third edition of the Saxon Algebra 1/2 book. Today we're going to be talking about addition and subtraction word problems. Addition and subtraction word problems. What I want you to do is, in your notebook, we're going to be writing, I want you to take some notes that are going to be really important. In previous lessons, we've talked about how if you add in one direction, you can subtract in the other, or if you multiply in one direction, you can divide in the other. This is important when we come up with some word problem patterns. The first one that I want you to write down are some and some more. If you have a word problem that is some and then you have some more, that is typically an addition problem, okay? So I want you to write some and some more equals addition, Now, the some went away problem. So you have some and then some went away and that's what you have left. Some went away. That equals subtraction. Make sure you have those notes written down, star them, flag them, so that if you need them, you can reference that information, okay? If you're following along at home, I'm on page 20, lesson 5. We're gonna start with the first example. The Duke counted 5,260 people. Then the Duchess counted 4,720 people. How much greater was the Duke's count? All right, so the pattern that we have here, how much greater, this is also a good one to write down. How much greater, that is also a subtraction problem. So we're going to be doing some subtraction. So the Duke counted 5,260. That's the Duke. The Duchess counted 4,720. That's the Duchess. How much greater was it? Well, that means we're going to have to do some subtraction. Okay, 0, 6 minus 4, or 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 7 we can't do, we have to borrow. Okay, 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. So there were 540 people. When you are doing a word problem, you must include a unit. I want to know what that is. Don't just give me an answer. I want to see that unit. Okay, so go back and read the word problem to make sure you understand it. For the second example, 417 birds were in the trees at 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, the number had increased to 942. How many birds arrived between 8 and 9 o'clock? The pattern here, we've got some, and then we have some more. Some and some more, that is an addition problem. So this is a sum and then some more. Some and then some more. 417 birds were in the trees at 8 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, the number had increased to 942. So we have some, we added some more birds, so I use B. And at the end, we have 942, okay? If we add in this direction, we can subtract in this direction. But if you take a look at that, 942 minus B equals 417. That's not really going to help us, is it? So maybe let's reorder that addition problem. Let's reorder it. When it's addition, we can swap those first two. B plus 417 equals 942. Now, since we're adding in this direction, let's subtract in this direction. We get 942 minus 417 equals B. That looks like something we can solve. So let's do that. 942 minus 417. 2 minus 7 we can't do. We have to borrow. 12 minus 7 is going to give us 5. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 9 minus 4 gives us 5. There were 525 birds that arrived between 8 and 9 o'clock. Okay, 8 and 9 o'clock. So that's a sum and some more pattern. All right, let's look at the next one. Number 3. At sunrise, many ducks were on the pond. Then 425 ducks flew away. 642 ducks remained. How many ducks were on the pond? Again, so we start with some of them left, and then we have the remaining total. So this is a sum went away. We have sum and sum went away. That's a subtraction problem. Sum went away. That equals subtraction. All right, let's set that problem up. We have, at sunrise, many ducks were on the pond. I have no idea how many, so we're gonna do ducks. Then 425 ducks flew away. So we have some ducks, we get rid of 425. At the end, there were 642 ducks. All right, so if we subtract in this direction, we can add in this direction. So let's try that. 642 plus 425. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. 4 plus 2 gives us 6. 6 plus 4 gives us 10. There were 1,067 ducks at the beginning of the day. Excellent. All right, looking at the next one. George had $5.42. Then his mom gave him some money. Now he has $9.65. So he had some money, then he got some more. And some more. That's an addition problem, okay? He had some money and then he got some more. He had $5.42. His mom gave him some money. We have no idea what that is, so we'll put M for mom. Then he had $9.65. $9.65. Again, if we add in this direction, we can subtract in that direction, but already looking at that, I can tell you that's not going to be helpful. 965 minus M equals $5.42. That doesn't really help us. So maybe let's reorder our addition problem. Let's try this. M plus 542 equals 965. Now we can subtract in this direction. 9.65 minus 542 gives us M. Okay, we'll solve for M. Remember to line up your decimals when you're doing this. 5 minus 2 gives us 3. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. So how much did he have? Or how much did his mom give him? $4.23. $4.23. Good work. All right, so take a look on page 21. I want you to go ahead and do practice A and B. Now would be a good time to pause it. And then when you come back, we'll go ahead and do those. All right, so for A, hundreds of knights came to a tournament. Then 420 knights went home. 756 knights remained. How many knights came to the tournament? So we had some knights, some of them went away, and then that was what we had left. So a sum went away problem, subtraction. So what we have are 420 knights. Oh, I'm sorry, hundreds of knights came. We don't know how many. Knights minus 420 that went home. And at the end of the day, 756 remained, 756. Good, if we subtract in this direction, we can add in this direction. Let's try that, 756 plus 420. That looks like something we can solve. That'll give us equals K. So let's go ahead and solve for K. 6, 5, 7, and then 7 plus 4 is 11. We would have 1,176 knights. Okay, that's how many started. All right, one more and then we'll call it good. For B here, Rita had 9,035 items in her basement. Then she found some more items. Now she has 10,081. She had some items, then she had some more. Some and some more, that's addition. So we're going to do 9,035 items plus she found some more items. I'll put an I here. And at the end, she had 10,081 items. Well, if we add in this direction, we can subtract in that direction, but that's not going to help us. 10,000 minus I equals that. So maybe let's reorder our addition problem. So what we have is I plus 9,035 equals 10,081. If we add in this direction, we can subtract in that direction, and that does look like it'll work. So 10,081 minus 9,035. All right, can't do this, so we gotta borrow 7. Put an 11 here, that gives us 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. Bring down that 0. 10 minus 9 is 1. So it was 1,046 items. 1,046 items. Good work. Excellent. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, great work today. Thank you.